We have here the Adventure Force. This is the cheapest RC that I can see in Walmart. This is only $12, and it's a Ford Mustang custom model, and it's official licensed by Ford. We'll just open this one. Look how tiny it is, and it's an RC. With the battery. So I'll come back. Okay, we're back now. This one I put a AAA battery, 3 pieces, and I think we need to charge the car by using this one. Turning light, it means it's charging. Okay, I'll just charge it for a few minutes and let's try it. If you do forward, the headlight will turn on, and you do backward, the tail light will turn on, the red one. Okay, we just finished testing it. It's a good one for $12. The one that I like is like it's detailed though. Oh yeah, it's all plastic. It's not a die-cast. So you have it. The cheapest RC in Walmart is $12 or $12.99. Thank you for watching.